pinagdaanan mo?
Uh, Both po eh. Kasi after po, tinrate ko yung sarili ko ng gustong-gusto kong kainin, which is steak po talaga after ng game. At the same time, gusto ko pong matulog habang kumakain. Sobrang pagod na po. Pero siguro kasi nagka-medal po ako and yung nerves ko po, sobrang high po niya talaga eh. Hindi ako makatulog hanggang 3 a.m. po. And kailangan kong gumising ng mga around 7 a.m. kasi meron akong training ng umaga po. So, yeah, puro nap po ako before nung next day, which is yung bolt po. Kaya sobrang hindi ko alam kung paano ko nagawa yung bolt po. Yeah, yun lang po.
And eto na lang, kasi deserve mo naman lahat ng mga natatanggap mo ngayon. Ano yung best na gift na binigay mo naman para sa sarili mo? Na ikaw mismo yung pumili para sa'yo?
Hello po. Paano po ba? Hindi material po eh. Yeah. Masaya po talaga ako na pinapangarap ko na from 2012 po, pinapangarap ko na makatungtong sa Olympics, maka-gold po sa Olympics. Ayun po eh, parang ngayon yung the best na regalo ko sa sarili ko din po, na yung moment na yun, yung lahat ng sacrifices ko po talaga, like sobrang worth it po talaga. Kaya nagpapasalamat din ako talaga sa sarili ko na hindi ako sumuko, hindi ako nag-quit talaga. Sobrang hinintay ko yung pagkakataon na yun. And lahat yun po talaga, sobrang worth it po. Salamat po.
Our next question is coming from Glitz PH.
Hi Carlos, good afternoon. Congratulations again, right here. Kwentuhan mo lang kami kasi di ba sa floor finals, you were third to perform. Tapos you got the highest score. Tapos, ano yung nasa isip mo when you were waiting for finalist number 4 all the way to finalist number 8? Kung ano yung masascore nila?
Sino ba? Yung si Jake talaga yung, si Jake po talaga yung iniintay ko. Alam ko kasi like parehas lang kami ng difficulty and kapag siguro mas napaganda yung landings niya po, siya yung mananalo, for sure. Nalaman ko na nung pagtas po ng before last pass niya kasi medyo medyo madumi po yung mga landings niya din. So, habang hindi pa tumitira si Jake, alam pong hindi pa ako yung mag-goal po.
Ayun. Yeah, Mr. D.
Can I go? When he was there, I already knew I was on top. I went down already to congratulate him before even everything was finished because I knew he was going to get it. When he stuck to the floor, he said, "That's it." I said, "He made it." Especially his first pass, I knew he was going to make it. I was so overwhelmed. And then when we heard the Philippine flag going, you don't know that feeling of crying. It's such a wonderful feeling to see your Philippine flag going up. Bayang Magiliw, very nice.
So, Miss, yung follow-up, yung score na 15, expected mo na yun? Yung score na 15 point something?
15.20, I mean. Yes.
Okay. Follow-up lang po din sa sinabi because si Kaloy is a 3-time individual all-around champion sa SEA Games. And then sabi ni Miss Cynthia in an interview with Miss Dayan Castillos, for next year daw sa SEA Games sa Thailand, expected daw niya all 8 gold medals in men's gymnastics. Your thoughts? Yeah, Kaloy's thoughts, and Miss Cynthia also can do like comment.
Feeling ko, depende po eh, sa pommel. Mahirap po sa pommel kasi magaling po yung Vietnam, hindi ko naman po yung specialties po. And sa rings po, pwede po. Sa high bar, depende din po. Hindi po ako nag-expect at all. Gusto ko lang mag-compete and itry po yung nerves ko ulit. Gusto ko lang mag-try. No expectation at all, pero i-deliver ko po yung best performance and best preparation po.
Thank you.
Natin. Talaga, nagawa natin. Grabe. And gusto ko lang talaga mag-thank you. Hindi imposible yung pinangarap mo. Talagang posible with God po talaga. Kayang-kaya. And with the right people po na nakasurround sa akin, sa'yo, sa lahat ng mga challenges na na-overcome. Sobrang nabibilib ako sa'yo. Thank you so much po.
We have another question from Bulgar and Filipino Mirror.
Good afternoon, Ms. Carrion, para sa ito. Ms. Carrion, para sa ito. You know, first and foremost, my heartfelt congratulations to Carlo Yolo. So, saya itong tatanong ko sa'yo, you know, competition never stops. Filipinos keep competing. And Carlos Yolo is only human. And your main objective and motivation is to propagate your program to discover young potential in the countryside. Now, the only way you can do it is to comprehensive, viable, effective, and long-term sustainable program. So, the question is, how rock solid is your foundation of your grassroots program designed to discover young promising athletes? How rock solid your foundation of your program? Ikaw.
Sorry, I thought you were asking Carlos. And I'm asking you to reply the correct way. It's very rock solid. Right now we have 100 little Carlos Yulos that want to be like him. Luckily, the Congress, Speaker of the House gave us some funding for this because we have to have coaches to teach these Carlos, and I don't want to charge them because a lot of them come from the poor regions, and even from different regions they come to train in our grassroots. We have a special place for them to train. They don't train with the athletes, athletes like Carlos. They have a special donated by the Japanese, and even all the equipment was brand new, but unfortunately the flood destroyed all the equipment, so we have to buy again equipment for the grassroots.
Another question, Ms. Carrion. You know, Carlos Yolo achieved significant milestone in his gymnastic career, a one for the book in Philippine sports history, the first and the only Filipino to win 2 golds in the Olympics. Now, is Carlos Yolo really surprised to the amazing performance, considering the fact that his opponents or rivals are world-class, the same rivals he faced in Tokyo Olympics? Is he really confident that he can do it this time in Paris?
To tell you the truth, you don't know him. He's a very humble man, and he whenever I ask, "Are you ready, Carlos?" He said, "I'm ready," but but I knew in his heart of hearts he knew he was going to win it because he trained for it and he was ready for it, and he was all the way ready. It's just and like you say, God is part of our team, and we really, with all these Filipinos praying to God, how can God not listen to us? Everybody was praying for him. So God said, "Oh my God, the Filipinos, we better give him the gold medal."
Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck to Carlos Yolo.
Thank you so much. Before we proceed with our next question, may bumubulong lang sa akin. Carlos, sabi, meron kang 5 million ngayon na extra from Arena Plus and DJ Plus. Anong pinaka-bagay na dati hindi mo afford na palagay mo kaya mo nang bilhin with your extra 5 million cash ngayon?
Sorry ba?
Meron ka bang mga gustong bilhin noong unang araw na di mo kaya kasi medyo mahal or something na gusto mo na ngayon with all this windfall ng cash gifts and then another 5 million from DG Plus and Arena Plus, kaya mo na. hindi na mabigat sa bulsa?
Siguro nung bata po ako, like, sasakyan po talaga. Kaso, binigyan po akong Toyota. So, I don't have to buy now. Like, di rin naman po kasi ako materialistic guy pa. So, probably gonna save that po for the future. Or siguro sa mga gym stuff ko po na mas needed na gastusan. Mas din po ako siguro magpo-focus po. Yes. Salamat po.
Thank you